Hi, my name is Sadie, and today we're going to do a fun experiment involving chemical reactions and carbon dioxide gas. We'll be making lava lamps. For supplies, you'll need vinegar, food coloring, vegetable oil, baking soda, a container or jar of some sort, and water. You'll want to have a container that you can do the experiment in. So I've got a glass bottle, but you can just as easily use a water bottle with a cap or anything like that. First, fill 1/4 of the bottle with water. Then we'll add vinegar about 1/3 of the way full. This is the fun part. We're going to add color by using food coloring. Only a drop or two is necessary. Then you'll want to mix it all together. You can use a spoon or just kind of shake the bottle. Finally, we'll pour vegetable oil to the top of the bottle. Take a small spoonful of baking soda and sprinkle it on top. Now check out what's happening. So why does this work? It's a chemical reaction.